Lisa, how are you guys doing today? My name is. Somebody's talking. I can't. Nebanyabo, Tuanyiriza Kundevila. Hello, world. My name is Judith Heard, Miss Environment Africa. Welcome to Kundevila. Today is our official opening at Conde Villas. And guys, guess what? You know how we love to travel, don't you? Conde Villas is all about tour and travel. We do have car hiring, we do have forex trading, we do travel all over Uganda, especially because since COVID happened, we've seen people loving more around. Oh, sorry, can we start? Can we cancel? Conde Villa is a tour and travel company. Leero tuguddewo emiryango gyaffe ate nga tuyita buli munnayuganda yenna ayagala okulambula n'alabako ku bulungi bw'e Uganda, especially the wildlife. Remember, tuyina the big five. These are the big fives: lions, elephant, rhinos, and everything you can imagine in the park. So no Rachel, Conde Villa basazeewo babagulirewo emiryango gyabwe ayagala okugenda ku Christmas holiday ne family, ayagala okucelebrating a birthday, ayagala okugenda ku honeymoon, temuddamu okwetawaanya nga mugenda Maldives. Conde Villa eyinza okukolera package enungi neba ng'ekutuusaayo mu mirembe. Sometimes oyinza okufuna chance Conde Villa nekutwala nga ne Judith Heard akuwerekeddeko. Also, Conde Villa has a Forex Academy. Forex Academy kitegeeza ki? That means bw'ojja ku Conde Villa ng'oyagala kuyiga trade forex, baba balina omuntu agenda okuyigiriza n'otandika okucakala ate nga bw'ojja n'otradinga, no making more money. Muchakala, after the trip, you come back and trade and make more money for your trip. So welcome to Conde Villas. We are officially open. My name is Judith Heard, Miss Elite Africa, Miss Environment Africa 2022.